Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X7b, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System and Update, then select Reset Phone. This will in turn bring you up with the list of data that will be removed by this process. If you find anything on this list that you don't want to get rid of permanently, make a backup copy of it before you before you progress any further. Now, a couple things to keep in mind in here. When it comes down to things like accounts, installed apps, and up data, those don't matter. This is everything that you can regain. What actually matters from this list will be things like, for instance, photos, user data, so maybe if you created documents or something like that, music maybe. Music is a little bit annoying to re-download if you don't have a backup of it. Anyway, so to progress any further, we're just gonna select Reset Phone. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it here. I do have one. Come on. There we go. It does give us an option to back up on the next page, as you can see right over here, though keep in mind this kind of backup is being done directly to the Huawei or HONOR in this case cloud. So if you're backing it up with the hopes of restoring it on the new device, if said new device isn't another HONOR, you won't have access to this backup. So be very mindful of this. If you're trying to do this reset and backup because you got a new phone and just want to get rid of this one, then I highly urge you to make a backup copy of all the data to your, for instance, computer manually, instead of going through the manual cloud backup that you're being offered right here with, as it might cause you some problems later on to try to regain this data, specifically when it's not an HONOR device. Now, anyway, you can just select Reset Phone once you're ready, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now, this process will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.